In this episode of I Tried It, I Test, this video that claims that we can make $300 per day with simple website in 10 minutes of work. We're gonna go through the entire process. I'm gonna show you my results and if this is worth your time. So make sure you watch this entire video to see if this side hustle works or if you should try something else. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take a look at this side hustle. It claims that we can make $300 per day for free with just 10 minutes of work. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. According to this content creator, they recommend that we use a free website builder called Webflow to create our website really quickly. As you can see by my website here, that's exactly what I did. I used a combination of CPA Grip, which has different CPA offers that we can take advantage of to build this website basically within probably about 20 minutes. Now, let's talk a little bit about CPA Grip. CPA Grip, or CPA stands for cost per acquisition or cost per action. You will get paid anytime someone takes an action. If we take a look at my screen, you can see the action for this one is email and submitting their zip code or their 5-digit where they live code for people outside the United States. Now, it's very important to look at a few things when we're looking at CPA Grip. One is the payout. So with this one, it's $1.02. The second one is the net EPC or earnings per click. Now, nobody ever talks about earnings per click, but it's the average amount of money that you'll earn per click. So anytime someone clicks on your affiliate link, it's about 2 cents. What you're gonna do to figure out how many clicks it takes for you to earn $1.02 is you're gonna take the payout amount and divide that by the EPC. And if you do that, it comes out to about 5. So you would need about 5 clicks in order to earn the payout, which isn't bad for CPA Grip. If we look at some of the other offers, they're as low as 0.066. Some of these don't even have earnings per clicks. They're so low that it wouldn't even be worth it, okay? That's very important to know when you are creating content and when you're using CPA Grip. If it doesn't have a net EPC, most likely no one's having success with it, okay? Now, for example, a good affiliate program has an EPC of $1 or $2 or even as high as $5 per click. So you want to try and find one that has a high EPC because that means you're actually going to earn some commissions. But as you can see, the original content creator says that we should promote these 3. That's exactly what I did in my web store. It didn't take long. That's quite okay. So the next step is to actually get traffic. And what he recommends is to use a website called Reddit. Now, Reddit calls itself the front page of the internet. Now, if we plug Reddit into SimilarWeb, which gives us statistics about websites, we can see that Reddit gets 1.7 billion visits per month. It is ranked in the top 20 of all websites in the entire world. So it's a great place to get traffic if you know how to do it. If you know what you're doing, it's a very great place to get traffic. Now, Reddit is broken down into different subreddits. Now, you can think of subreddits like Facebook groups. These are little communities or sub-communities with people that have common interests. This content creator recommends that we look for different freebie subreddits. Now, freebie subreddits where people post different freebies, things that they're giving away. As you can see, there are literally tons of these freebie subreddits. We can search freebies like this, and you can see that there are tons of these different communities. Now, when I went to a number of these communities, the first thing that I saw was this message. CPA spam is not allowed. Now, let me read this to you because this is important and I kind of got a chuckle out of it. Our bots have been set to auto ban users posting CPA spam, and we will ban a couple dozen users every day. For those who don't know, and then when I click on this link, it actually takes us to another content creator whom I actually did a video on, this exact video. They're using this content creator as an example of spam that they do not allow. For example, this type of giveaway is not allowed. They call it a pyramid scheme. They don't really understand the terminology, but that's okay. So what am I saying? A, I'm saying I didn't make any money with this method. B, I'm also saying don't try this method because you're going to get banned from a number of high quality communities. There's many other better ways to make money online, and I'm going to list a few of them, even using Reddit. I think Reddit could be a great place if you approach it the right way. So the original content creator said, free website pays $300 plus per day in just 10 minutes setup. You will not earn a dime with this method. You will get banned from communities with this method. So don't try this method. This method will waste your time and lead to more frustration. Now, here's a better way, a way that I apply every single day to make money online. Identify one problem and create content to solve that one problem. Now, the cool thing is that there are hundreds of thousands of problems out there that you can solve. And for example, this video is an example of problems that are being solved. You have tried these methods before, or you're wondering if these methods work. I've identified that as something that a lot of people are asking. I do the legwork and I try the method for you. And then I show you if it does or doesn't work. If it doesn't work, I give you better alternatives. So think about that. Identify one problem. The problem is these methods that people are getting frustrated. Create content to solve the problem. You're watching a YouTube video, that's the content. And then you can come up with options to help them solve the problem better. Their initial bigger problem is that they want to make money online, or they want to quit their day job, or maybe even make an extra $1,000 per month so that life is a little bit easier. To better help them, you can help them by enrolling them into a course as an affiliate or a course creator. You can create digital products to sell. If you're into drop shipping, you can do that. I also help them by being an affiliate for companies like Bluehost and TubeBuddy and vidIQ and Morning Fame. These are all things that can help you solve your problem. So people will say that making money online is not possible. I'm here to tell you that it is in fact possible, and you're looking at an example of it right now. Now, I'll be paid in a few different ways with this content. I'll be paid with the YouTube Partner Program. So someone watches this video and clicks on an ad or watches a 15-second ad, I'll be paid. A portion of the people will join one of my courses or programs. I appreciate if that's you. Welcome aboard. Some people will click on an affiliate link that they see on this video. These are all different ways that I have monetized solving problems, and you can do this too. You don't have to be special, you don't have to be unique. You don't even have to use the make money online niche. You can do this with basket weaving and pets and pickleball. Find one problem, that's all you need is one problem. Create content to help solve that problem, and then find various ways to monetize it. Now, again, I've mentioned probably 5 different ways, but there are at least 10 different ways to monetize problems. That's all you have to do. Now, is it easy? No, it's not easy. If it were easy, it wouldn't be worth it. You will be successful solving problems if you are consistent and persistent. I have people that jump on my comment section and say, I uploaded 5 videos and I haven't made any money. 5 videos is absolutely nothing in the world of YouTube. People upload 5 videos a day at times. You have to go in with the mindset that you're going to do whatever it takes legally and ethically to be successful online. If that requires you to upload 1 video every single day for 1 year before you start seeing results, then that's what it takes. Most people go in it with the wrong mindset. Most people want to make the quick bucks, the quick cash. That's not the way to be successful online, especially not in 2023. The right way to be successful online is to go in with the mindset that I'm going to be consistent and persistent, do what it takes legally and ethically to be successful online, solving other people's problems. When you do that, you'll make money online, you'll be happier, you'll have a more fulfilling life. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description. I put together a few free affiliate marketing planners that will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download your free planner today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.